This is a video demonstrating how to replace a chemical or water valve on the manifold. It is important to remember chemical safety when replacing any valve. Employees should always wear protective equipment when dealing with chemicals, and remove all pressure and power from the system before performing any maintenance. First, you need to disable the system, by pressing the ENT and NO keys. Next, you need to flush the system thoroughly. Be sure to clear all chemical from the line if you are replacing a chemical valve by flushing the pickup line with water. Press the emergency stop button. Close all chemical and water lines, by clamping the lines and closing all shut-off valves which can be found here. Remove the valve cover, by removing the 4 screws. It is important to note that the screws have to be removed carefully. It is recommended to loosen the top right screw and bottom left screw partially, then loosen the top left screw and the bottom right screw partially, then fully loosen all screws. Replace the valve. Reinstall the valve cover. Note, it is important to reinstall the cover the same way you took it off, by tightening the top right screw and bottom left screw partially, then tighten the top left screw and bottom right screw partially, then tighten all screws fully. They should be hand tight with a screwdriver, about 10 inch-pounds. The last thing you need to do is test the system for any leaks, by either flushing the system, or priming the system.